Hey guys, this is Maggie Osama from Online Learning School, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a long shadow to your text like this in Adobe After Effects. So if you are working on a lower third to your videos, you might consider doing this. So first thing I'm going to do here is that I'll hit Ctrl or Command N to create a new composition. I will call it a long shadow, then click OK. Next, I'll hit Ctrl or Command Y to create a new solid. I will call it background. You can choose any color you want. In my case, I'll leave it as is. Then click OK. Next, I'll go to the Tools bar. Select the Text tool. Then click on the composition here and start writing your text. Adjust the font size, color, and type according to your preference using the Character panel. Also, I will align it horizontally and vertically to the center using the Align panel. Now, as I'm selecting this text layer, I'll right-click on it, select Create Shapes from Text. Now I'll open up this created shape layer, then go to the Add button here and add a repeater. And now I will open up the added repeater, go to Transform. And here, if you play around with the position, you would see that we have two more copies of our text by default. So here I'll set both the X and Y values of the position to 1. Then go to the Copies field here. Once we start increasing the number of copies, we will start having this long shadow here. Next, I'm going to change the fill color of this shape layer to black. Now hit T on keyboard to get the opacity control, and I'll drag it down to about 25%. Next, in the timeline here, I'll drag this text layer and place it above the shape layer here, and then I'll make it visible from here. And as you can see here, we now have a text with a long shadow. Okay, so say that you are working on a lower third that has a rectangle behind the text and you want this shadow to be within the rectangle. If you want to do this, simply select this rectangle shape, duplicate it by hitting Ctrl or Command V, then place the duplicated copy above the shadow layer. Then go to the Track Matte column beside the shadow layer and select Alpha Track Matte. And as you can see here, we have made this long shadow to be within the rectangle shape behind the text. Perfect! So this is our tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave your comment below. Also, if you're interested to learn some powerful techniques to create animated lower thirds for your videos, you can check out the link in the description below for more information. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.